And we're surrounded by devices that need charging nowadays, and it's really tough to bring a couple battery packs with you when you're traveling. So we're looking at something that's going to save you a lot of time and space.
I'm really happy that Belkin came up with this. We're looking at the Belkin Valet Charger Power Pack. Retails for about $99 US. And a lot of people are familiar with these portable packs that you take with you to charge your smartphones in the event that you run out of power. But what makes this one different is you could also charge your Apple Watch.
Right, so it does have, it's like about the size of like a little remote control. And so on the top of it is the charging plate for your Apple Watch. So you can, slam your Apple Watch on there and start charging. And on the top you have a micro USB port for charging the actual power pack, and then you have a USB to charge out to your iPhone. So you can charge your iPhone and the Apple Watch at the same time. And so this power pack has a capacity of 6,700 milliamps. So that's enough to charge your Apple Watch 8 times and your iPhone 3 times.
And it really caters to the Apple user out there, because not only can you charge your iPhone, you can charge your Apple Watch simultaneously on the go, which a lot of people would probably want or need in the event that you do run out of power. If you know somebody that loves Apple products, or maybe yourself, this is something you definitely want to check out. It's from Belkin. It's their Valet Charger Power. Again, retails for about $99 US. You can get more information at belkin.com.